Hearty House Hunger Games is on a mission to make healthy meals available to everyone by joining the fight against hunger. Many children lack proper nutrition and have limited options and access to healthy food.
This leads to long-term health issues, impaired learning, and increased rates of disease, and can be devastating, as in my family who has suffered the disabling impact of diabetes brought on by food-related obesity.
At Hearty House, we created TEAM by partnering with the Food Bank of Western New York. Hearty House will contribute 5% of profits to the Food Bank School Pantry program. In addition, patron Drop Your Change donations will go towards ending hunger and preventing food-related illness, feeding 6 children for every dollar collected. Before the Team Management and Leadership program, we started with an idea for a healthy food service. Now backed by an ever-growing number of patrons, together, our goal is to feed 100,000 hungry children by December 2018. When you join us at Hearty House, you share in our mission, becoming a partner for the solution.